Now that we've talked about marketing research, analytics, and some of the careers in advertising, let's look at some other careers in marketing. A sales promotion manager analyzes markets and develops promotional incentives. Rather than providing information, like advertising does, sales promotion tries to provide incentives for the target to act. And as it says here, the target can be either retailers or consumers. Product and brand managers consider all elements of the marketing mix as they attempt to grow a brand's appeal to its target market. Product and brand managers deliver value to customers by learning product and brand strategies. They also create and maintain a brand's identity, message strategy, and positioning. The product and brand manager is an expert in a particular product area that works individually or as part of a team to make decisions and serve as a link to other areas of marketing or business related to that brand. Now let's talk a little bit about sales. Although they have a variety of titles, sales representative, account manager, manufacturer's representative, sales engineer, sales agent, retail salesperson, wholesale sales representative, service sales representative, all of these people are in selling. Sales managers typically are selected from people in the current sales force who have demonstrated that they possess the managerial skills needed to lead teams of sales representatives. In addition, many organizations require all marketing professionals to spend at least some time in the field to experience the market firsthand and to understand the challenges faced by the frontline sales personnel. Salespeople usually develop prospective client lists, meet with current and prospective customers to discuss the firm's products, and then follow up to answer questions and supply additional information. By knowing the business needs of each customer, the sales representative can identify products that best suit these needs. After a purchase, sales personnel are likely to revisit their customers to ensure that the products are meeting the customer's needs and to explore further business opportunities or referrals provided by satisfied buyers. Some sales of technical products involve lengthy interactions. In these cases, a salesperson may work with several clients simultaneously over a large geographic area. Those responsible for large territories may spend most of their workdays on the phone, receiving and sending email messages, or traveling to customers' locations. Sales managers, as I've said before, direct a firm's sales program. They manage the sales force by assigning territories, setting goals, and implementing training programs for the sales staff. Managers also review the performance of sales representatives and guide them toward improvement. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects average job growth in this category. Currently, there are about 350,000 sales managers in the United States. Work as a sales representative or sales manager can be rewarding for those who enjoy interacting with people, are invigorated by competition, and feel energized by the challenge of expanding sales in their territories. Successful sales professionals, both individual sales representatives and sales managers, should be goal-oriented, persuasive, self-motivated, and independent. In addition, patience and perseverance are important qualities. VCU's Academy of Selling program in the Department of Marketing is listed as a top program by the Sales Education Academy. Now let's talk about how marketing affects everyone's decisions and choices. Consumers respond to information differently depending on how it is framed. This would not happen if consumers were entirely rational. For example, studies have found that when a hospital said that 80% of patients with a life-threatening illness were cured, consumers responded more favorably than when they said that only 20% died. Also, in food information, consumers responded much more favorably when told a food was 90% fat-free rather than 10% fat. Perhaps this is why dairies sell 2% milk rather than promoting the milk as having only half the fat of whole milk. Now, let's test your intuitive sense of marketing and understanding of what works with consumers. Look at these two ads. Nortel ran two advertisements in the Chicago Tribune and the Boston Globe that were identical in all ways except that one was in color and the other was in black and white. Which ad pulled best? In other words, which one did consumers process better and remember seeing?